Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to cancel App Store pre-orders from your Windows PC. Pre-ordering games, apps or software on your iPhone or iPad is a convenient way to secure access as soon as they are released. But what if you happen to change your mind or no longer need the item? Well, don't worry about it at all. Fortunately, Apple allowed you to cancel the App Store pre-orders from your Windows PC with utmost ease. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first we have to launch the Apple Music app or the Apple TV app on your Windows device. And then you have to click on your name in the sidebar. After that, select View My Account option. Note that you may now need to sign into your Apple account and password. Make sure to do it before moving any further. On the page that appears, scroll until you see the pre-orders option. Now click on Manage Pre-orders option. Note that if you can't see Manage Pre-orders option, you don't have any pre-orders at all, so don't bother about it at all. To cancel a specific pre-order, click on the item you want to cancel and then follow the on-screen instructions to cancel it, and that's pretty much it. Canceling the App Store pre-orders on your Windows PC is quick and gives you control over your upcoming purchases. By following these quick steps, you can avoid unwanted charges and make sure your library only contains the software and games you actually want. Make sure to always review your pre-orders to stay in charge of your digital content so that you don't have to pay for the item you don't want any longer. And I'll catch you up in the next one.